In this short tutorial, I will show you how to join the Strongest Battlegrounds Discord server. The Strongest Battlegrounds Discord is a community where you can chat, share tips, and connect with others who enjoy playing the game. To get started, open up the Discord mobile app and then tap on the back arrow at the top left corner of the screen. Then tap on the plus button. And then tap on the Join Us Server button. After that, tap here. For the invite link, type in exactly this. Yielding Arts. Then tap on this button to join the Strongest Battlegrounds Discord server. Tap on the Accept Invite button. Now, in order to send messages, you need to complete the verification process. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.